The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai.
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So it is somewhere around 8:30 at the moment. I'm going to go play a game called pickleball. Never played it before, but of course when you travel, learn as much as you can, like experience as much as you can. Yeah, early in the morning people start hitting the running tracks, as you guys might be able to see behind me. Yeah, getting their workout for me. So I decided to work out, exercise the body, and then the mind, because I have to learn something different today. Anyway, I'm a little bit tired because we went to the club last night and yeah, there was a silent headphone party, which was, silent headphone parties are always pretty funny because you hear people singing off key because they can't quite hear themselves. Anyway, let's go play pickleball. All right, so a quick little update. Yeah, came out here, spoke to a chick called Maggie, learned about the game of pickleball. It's, in a nutshell, it's a mix between tennis and table tennis in another way, and some of the former rules of badminton. For example, you cannot score a point unless you are the one serving, so the game can go on forever. We played a little free play type of thing just now. Got a couple points in, it was amazing. We lost at, I think like 11-8 or something like that. But yeah, tournament time. So I'm gonna be teaming up with a guy called Jason. And I'm excited to play pickleball. Like, what the hell, bro? But yeah, sports is a great way to like meet people. It kind of breaks those barriers. Like, people don't really care who you are, you know, when it comes down to sports most of the time. So yeah, that's the vibe. Hopefully we can get a gold medal, but I'm okay with another silver if that be the case, because it's my first time. that was our first tournament win. We move on to the next round. Team Purple.
Team Purple.
That's it, huh?
Inviting you to join us over morning pico session. We got 3 games, 3 chances for you to win some money, and we're starting with the cards themselves right now. At the start now, just deck number 5 in the front of the street. Don't forget, 3 games, 3 chances to win some money. We hope to see you there, and also.
The guts are stronger on that one with the side. Oh my God! If you finish working, you can play.
My name is Wakanda. Wakanda.
Look at the way they take it back. Tell your man. I got exit.
Because of the wind is always stand out. If that windy, maybe it will finish the time.
You like going to this one? It's so strong, it really doesn't make a difference. Yeah, we'd rather play it over there. Let's see if we serve. Yeah, see, that's too high. The serve's got to be below your weight. No, you're hitting it up here.
I didn't realize this was the
Okay, just letting you know, that's the rule.
Am I coming?
They make you lose focus. Keep that serve, baby. Wow. So we just won that one. We're going to the championship. At least get a silver medal again. Yo! So we're playing against the windy girls. It's super windy out here and that really affects the game a lot, but we're just having a whole bunch of fun. I'm gonna lock off the recording. We're gonna focus on this game. Let's go. Amazing. Finally got the gold medal, guys. It was amazing. Wow. It was fun. So fun. So fun.
For the champion! Wait. Okay, the MVP, Jason!
Good job, bro. You did well. Amazing. Oh, bite it. Let's go for it. It's real. Pirates of the Caribbean.
You find everything okay?
Alright guys, so I came back in after having breakfast. Point blank, the food here is pretty good, so I won't be showing you guys me having breakfast every single day. So I had a pretty basic breakfast, and I decided that after yesterday I'm going to get some sleep, because playing these sports and just sometimes vacationing can be a little bit hard. It sounds kind of crazy, but you get so worked up doing so many things, you have to make sure that you manage your rest. So I came back in right after that and I just slept. I watched some Netflix. That was it. Got up not too long ago, and I'm getting ready for Caribbean night. Now on the ship, I had believed, like, you know, there would be like a fine dine restaurant that you go to every single night. No, they work off theme. So in the last video you realized that we were formal, and that's because that was formal night. Now tonight is Caribbean night, and that's why they said make sure that you wear, you know, your floral attire. So that's the vibe for tonight. But as you can see on the shirt, there's wrinkles. Now, as I did mention to you guys on the last video, that we came up and I saw that I had two $16 charges, and in my head I was like, maybe they charged both myself and Michelle, but when she looked on her account, it was the very same thing. Now, for a lot of persons might not know, you think you pay the first money and then that's it. Every single day on the cruise, you're paying $16 per day in gratuity. That's something that you have to pay attention to. Now, that being said, of course, if you're trying to work on a budget, then if they're going to charge you to press your clothes, then there are some simple hacks that you can use. I used that on my formal attire yesterday. That's why I didn't seem so crushed, and I'm going to use it tonight, and I'm going to show you really quickly. All right, so whenever I travel, I like these kinds of shirts or dry fit shirts because, for one, they're very light, they dry really quickly, and any form of wrinkles comes out super easy. So this hack, all you really need is just a bit of fabric softener, a spray bottle, and water, and that's it. You can bump it up a notch by having a blow dryer, and that would make it even better. So for this particular bottle that I'm using here, I think it's a 3-ounce bottle, and I just use a little bit, like just under here, because for one, you don't want the fabric softener to be too strong, and of course if it's like a white shirt, it's going to make it blue, because most fabric softeners have some form of color pigmentation to it. So this is all I did for last night. So like here you can see all those creases. And as it's called, it's a fabric softener. So all those wrinkles are because the fabric kind of gets a little bit hard. So it just locks into that position, but then you soften it. Then you just pull on it And that just realigns the fibers in the fabric really. And then you're done. So if you looked at where I sprayed, you realize all of that, all those creases are gone. So that's a quick hack. And like I said, you can add another step to it, which is using the blow dryer in the room, putting it on its highest setting. I'm just gonna finish this side and show you guys like the difference between the right side and the left. And like I said, these shirts, they dry really quickly, so the blow dryer, yeah, is gonna dry it out. But if you wanna be smart, you can just leave it in the bathroom, hang it up, and then by the next day it will be dried. But I need this for tonight. Now the really nice thing about floral pattern shirts is that it's kind of hard for you to see the wrinkles in comparison to a solid shirt. But if you go up close, you can see the wrinkles that are on the left side. There are a lot more pronounced. You can see those. And then when you came up to the spot that I just did just now, complete difference. And I was kind of rushing through it because I want to show you guys the, you know, the quick comparison, quick differences. So I'm gonna spend a little bit more time on it. I basically spent like 2 minutes to get it this far. It's dry already. And yeah, it's gonna be hung up and ready for tonight. Now you might be wondering, why can't you bring a steamer or an iron on the ship? Well, the clear answer is safety hazard. It doesn't matter how good you are or how good your memory is to remember to turn off the iron. Remember, there are hundreds of other people out here, and it just only takes one mistake for there to be a huge problem just out in the middle of the ocean. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this up. I'm gonna head up to my cousin, spend a little bit of time with her until it is dinner time, and I am super excited to go back to this restaurant because, like I said, the food on the ship is really good. And tomorrow I'm even more excited because we're going to be at our first Caribbean island. Guys, remember, drop it in the comments. Let me know. The comments do help the videos, the likes do help the videos, and of course your subscriptions. So drop in a comment, let me know what island you think we're going to first. Alright, so I just make it to my cousin room just now. Watch out, me I sleep with it tonight, you know. Cause I want to wake up and see a view, but please, no bother with the snoring. Yeah, so.
I can't help it. I have earplugs.
Jaja.
Jeez, I'm
So
pleased.
Michelle, for 2 mornings has woken up to
Beautiful.
the sunrise.
Beautiful sunrise.
Jano.
Nice.
Hopefully she send me the video so I can just clip it in right so. But yeah, that's the vibe. Tomorrow is where we make the landfall. Michelle, I done this on me I deal with my clothes a while ago, and it occurred to me say, you ever see one advertisement we don't iron yet?
None.
None.
No iron
me never. And on the I mean, we're so fussy about getting the clothes like looking good and make sure so we crisp and everything. And trust me, I see people in clothes so crimple up you could actually write lines on it like a whole heap of crimple.
You look like wave. You look like
Don't-
the water wave. Like the water wave out there, some cause.
Yo,
Trust me,
Jano.
it's crazy.
But no one else on the ship really
see.
cares about it. They don't, yeah, them just do them thing and whatever. So,
But
anyway.
knowing us, we're not comfortable like, you know,
Facts. We have to
with
look
our
good.
clothes look like that.
We have to look good. And I saw the what you can't call him a maid because he's a male. But anyway, the room attendant. And I was thinking to myself, like, I'd rather give him that money, like, at the end of the cruise, as opposed to, you know, put it on him tip, as opposed to, like, you know, pay this excessive amount of money for get
Not
one or
deserve
two.
this.
Yeah, not right now. So
So when you say that, what you mean?
so whatever I plan to give him as a tip, that money, I'll add it. So that $20 just to iron your clothes or whatever, me add that panning tip
So
on top of it.
will they do that?
What?
I mean,
But yeah, I saw him and I asked him if they had like an envelope because I wanted to like tip him every day. But he said no, at the end of the cruise.
at the end of the cruise.
End of the cruise. So
Okay.
that way, you know. So yeah.
Yeah, so I would tip mine to at the end of the cruise.
Yo,
Alright.
my room, I remember my name. Like every time you walk past me, like you remember his man. Yeah, so, which is it's an amazing touch. Anyway, we're just gonna chill a little bit because yeah, I kind of abandon my cousin for majority of the day.
Well,
chill
guess
little-
what? We needed to recharge.
Facts.
Like this morning, I went Zumba, and trust me.
Talk
for somebody
about that though. In terms of recharging, you're on the trip like Do you think you could go
No,
every?
I couldn't.
No.
I couldn't go. It's mad crazy. It's like the excitement itself
Facts.
and all the stuff that is there to be done. Nah.
Facts. So as amazing as vacationing sounds, like
You have to plan it, man.
almost like work. Anyway, I'll catch you guys when we head down for dinner and you see what we are wearing for tropical
Caribbean night.
Caribbean night vibes. My room start. Me done watch a karate sitting. I start watch.
What happened to them?
Them basically they win whatever. So they done on a good note, but them have a next you know what next bad this I could go on and know so. I'm there on that shirt name Dama. Wow. I was waiting for you. I was like,
Thank you. Right. Yeah.
when he heard that I skipped lunch, he was just like, what?
He did. He slept through lunch.
I slept right through it.
I did not.
Yeah.
No.
Today I preferred so. Yeah.
An hour just make me like already.
Exactly. Super important, man. Super
Okay,
important.
guys. Would you like to have anything from the bar for tonight? Something to drink?
I'll think on it. She's a lightweight. Last night she drank one glass of wine and her head was
And I had a
hurting her.
headache this morning.
Oh my
So,
god.
do you have like a virgin?
Pina colada. Yeah, within pina colada. And for you,
I'm still figuring it out.
Okay,
Whatever
sure.
I'm having, I'll have with dinner. Wait, I'll take the. Do you have a complimentary lemonade? You said.
yeah, we do have a lemonade and we have a unsweetened tea.
I'll take the lemonade to start.
Okay.
With
So
my
the
starter.
lemonade and also virgin, right? Pina colada.
Huh?
Virgin, yeah.
Virgin pina colada. Virgin.
All right, so we were supposed to get here from like 8:45, and I got here like 8:50, and I was thinking I was late, so I was out there just waiting for Michelle, so I had to come in because I thought she was sitting in her already. Now the coolest thing is like everyone remembers you, you know, the manager or the deck, whatever he is, he came by and make sure that we're good. Remembers her wine from last night, so stuff like that is pretty amazing. The menu has changed up, so we're gonna have something completely different tonight. And what was really cool is that the girl that seated me, she's from Madagascar. So coming on the ship, there is like a plethora of different people who are working on board the ship. So you get the chance to meet people from different cultures. Anyway, I'm going to find out what strange thing I'll have tonight, and yeah, you guys will see.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, Butch,
Are
you're
you
back.
ready to order?
No, not yet. Not yet. Give us like 5 minutes.
Okay, I thought maybe you like to order.
Okay,
I
thank
just
you.
came, sorry.
It's possible to have 2 main courses?
Yes, but whatever you want, let me know.
Whatever you want, cuz.
Love it
I'm here
here.
for you.
Alright, so I want I'll try the baked potato soup
Okay.
and a shrimp cocktail like she's doing. And I want
You
the
want no wine tonight?
I'll have some wine, but with my dinner.
Later, yeah.
So I'll have also the same what did I have again? Moscato
Mustard.
with my dinner. I want the pork chop. And for the dessert, I want the apple blossom a la mode.
What is it? Two main course?
Yeah, 2 main course. What else can I
Lasagna
choose?
good.
Is the New York steak strip similar to what I had last night?
Similar?
Like the mushroom
Tenderloin?
sauce?
No. It's a different one.
I'll try that one as well.
How would you like to cook?
Medium.
Okay.
That was
That's it?
And my dessert is definitely the apple blossom thing.
Yes.
Yeah. Awesome.
Set.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you. You hear that? You can order 3 main course. So, in a nutshell, it is more of a fine dine setting, but people bring the food for you. So it's not like the buffet, but you can have as much as you
For your
want.
dinner, nothing?
No.
It gives her a headache. Only for me.
This morning I had a
Then you're
headache.
taking the main course, right?
When I'm having the main course, correct. Yeah, so you can eat as so you can eat as much as you want. So I'm trying 2 main courses tonight. Yeah, I don't think I'll be having food at the buffet for a minute. For dinner, for sure. Yeah.
Breakfast and lunch, okay. We haven't tried breakfast here though.
I'll have breakfast here tomorrow. Yeah. I'll
Because
see.
we have to get up early tomorrow. Because we have excursion, so we have to eat
Yeah.
and then head to the pier.
Right.
Alright, so we can have breakfast here. Well, you're well rested
can-
anyway.
we
Look
can
how long
probably-
you sleep for today. Because you sleep out the whole of today day.
Yeah. No
So,
joke.
no joke. But you have to recharge though. It's a lot. It was a lot to take in, man.
It was a lot.
It was a lot.
It was
So,
definitely a lot.
so that's good. So the good thing about you ordering like 2.
Very full.
No, because the portions are small,
Oh, yeah,
which is
yeah,
good.
try different
Which
things.
is good. Pina colada.
Pina colada. Yeah.
Right here.
Where the virgin drink?
Virgin. Virgin.
Let's see how it is.
It has to be good. I haven't find anything wrong with anything on this
Fruits, right?
fruit since I came. See? Not too sweet. You know,
Perfect.
sometimes they make it sweet because it's virgin. That's good.
You ever realize almost every restaurant you go, somebody celebrates on birthday? I mean, I clap on my food. Hey, wow, it's beautiful.
You're doing the vlogging, sir?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Ooh. Guys, so potato soup is here.
With cheese and bacon.
What is the potato soup like?
It's good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
You only get that flavor.
smells cheesy.
Mm-hmm. There's cheese in it
Oh.
and bacon, so you taste it at the end.
Okay.
So that's good.
Wow. Let's try this.
Great.
This is your favorite.
I like it. Yes,
Yeah,
I
we had it
yes.
last night. It was
No,
very
was
good. Thank you, but wow. There's so many different cuisines in the world that I have never tried before. Potato soup is definitely one. Mm. It basically tastes like a very flavorful, watered down mashed potato. That's what it tastes like. It's really good.
And not in a bad way.
And not in a bad way.
When you say water.
Yeah, just, you know, more liquidy, more soupy. It's very good.
And as I say, you pick up the flavor after.
And that bacon bite on top.
Crispy.
Oh god. Delicioso. I could have a big bowl of this. Really good.
I don't know where that sweetness comes from. Where? I do not know where that sweetness comes from.
Wow. It's just so, like, how did they keep it this fresh?
I don't know. Doesn't taste like something that was frozen at all.
No want no vegetable, it's straight shrimp. Lamb definitely does add something on this.
Oh, it's the soup.
Amazing, man.
Amazing.
Let me ask you a question. Is it like is that 5-star chefs that cooking there or what?
What stars?
5 stars. I don't know. They're good.
Everything good, right?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe 10 stars.
Probably.
I'm really glad that you know enjoying the food.
Amazing.
Amazing, right?
This is the one, huh? It's almost there, your.
Thank you. Cheers to another wonderful night on board.
Wonderful night. Looking so forward. Looking forward to tomorrow. We have more food tonight.
Wow.
Okay, one ticket, huh?
Thank you, sir. I look greedy.
Yeah, you do.
Wow.
There's more food tonight.
So pork chop, bone in, looks really delicious. Very, very delicious. Let's do this. Please don't mind me. I did not have lunch today.
How is the food cost?
The pork chop tastes very Indian.
We're in India.
Yeah. Go for the steak strip. Let's see. What do you think?
There's not a lot of flavor on it.
Yeah, agreed.
On the pork, right? I always have an open mind anyway, though, so. All my protein that I was lacking today,
You getting it now?
I'm getting it now.
It's a different kind of steak tonight, but I prefer it over the pork chop.
Oh, okay. In terms of the flavor.
Definitely. So I got a little bit of beef stroganoff. Come to give me a small serving because yeah, I am stuffed already. Let's go. I took a bite of this just now. Flavors are so pronounced. Wow. It's very good. I don't think I've ever had anything like this. Like the flavor wise.
Oh, that's the
It's
noodles.
noodles, yeah. So good. And the beef, tender.
Tender.
Mm-hmm. Try some. Alrighty.
Wow. Okay.
I would order this. Yeah, I would definitely order this.
There's something crispy in it. What is it? Is that a bacon? Is it bacon?
The pickle.
Is it pickle?
Yeah.
Mmm. Something almost crunchy. Wow. Who would have thought?
Trust me.
Mmm. The deep soft like the one you had.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, banana foster.
and the apple pie.
That's your favorite?
Is your favorite? Yeah? Of course.
It's gonna be yours, man.
Yeah. He's very confident it's gonna be my favorite. Alright, let's go. So we have the apple pie a la mode. The vanilla ice cream I know is good. I had it last night. And we're gonna dig into the apple pie. And you had a banana foster. Wow. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, help me, Lord.
I think there's some alcohol in there, just a little bit though.
Ooh, it's hot.
It's hot. You don't know what about it?
No, I'm trying to describe. I know it's banana,
Sure.
and the sauce on it is not too sweet, apart from the fact that it's hot.
Yeah.
But it's good.
It's good.
Yeah, it's surprising. It's interesting. Hey. Man, the things I'm doing with banana, I'm planting.
No, I can't stop.
Can you imagine?
Alright, I'm gonna dig into this. I love apple pie, especially with some ice cream.
Ice cream sundae. What am I? What are we on? A sundae with the banana? This combo is nice, but I can't see where you can get
Clyde.
yeah.
Yeah. That's why I never order it. Usually for the banana pasta, I usually like a banana pasta like French toast. So the same bananas on top of the French toast, but they have the bread to balance it out a little bit. Now for the apple pie, I mean I've had better, but it doesn't mean this one's not good. It's a pretty good apple pie. I think it's apple pie, like it does everything that it except from apple pie. Crispy crust, tart inside with apples, good ice cream, good whipped cream.
Whipped cream, yeah.
Amazing. Pretty good. So we just stopped by a little sports bar called the Tavern because I still don't know who won the match versus Man U and Man City.
If you know, comment down below.
Please drop it in the comments. I'd love to know. But the bartender was saying that they can only capture the channels that whatever island they're passing by is giving out, because we are the move basically. So when we're passing Cuba, if we could get ESPN, that's what we could get. Anyway, yeah, still don't know, and I'm just praying that we never lost the match. Drop it in the comments. Alright, so I'm getting ready to go to my room right now. Yeah, I'm gonna go lay down for a little bit because we're going to the club in about 2 hours. But of course, it's gonna be a bunch of music up there, and yeah, it's gonna mean that I'm gonna end the video here. But I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow where the action really starts, where we get to go to a new country. And I am so happy to be able to take you guys and to experience it myself. Remember, drop in the comments if you have an idea of where we might be going. Catch you guys in the next video. Remember 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep link.